Hi, this is Abdul Rauf, digital advertising expert. Today I will be walking you through a case study of Google Maps ads campaign. We're taking the example of dentist in San Diego, and you see these the two top listings that are having less than 50 or 60 reviews, and still they are able to show onto the top, and they are showing above the listings that are having 600 reviews, 150 reviews, 140 reviews, and there are more than 50 listings in this niche in this specific city. For example, the listing with 333 reviews are available show to the 15th to 20th position. 600 reviews, but still it's not ranking very well. That's the area where we can optimize your business wherever you need the optimization in your industry. This is example of dentist. You can take any example in your industry. In this example, you see this listing is having 900 reviews, but still it's being run ads on to show to the top with the best optimization, order online reservation table. So if you're looking for this kind of service, I'm very specialized in this niche, and I can rank your listing organically onto the top of the Google system, so that you can get more calls, more people visiting your location in the nearby area with a very specialized niche locations.